Welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making ham and potato soup. Let's get cooking. To start, in a large pot, add 3½ cups of peeled and diced potatoes, 1/4 cup of diced onions, 1/3 cup of diced celery, 3/4 cup of diced ham, and add enough water to cover the ingredients. Then, stir everything together and bring the mixture to a boil. Boil for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Once the potatoes are tender, stir in 1 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3 chicken bouillon cubes. Then, keep the pot on low to keep it warm. Next, in a small pot, melt 5 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, gradually whisk in 5 tablespoons of flour. Once the flour is fully combined, gradually whisk in 2 cups of milk. Now keep whisking consistently over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, or until the mixture thickens. Next, pour the roux into the soup and stir to combine. Then, let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until it begins to thicken. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of pepper and stir to combine. And there you have it, a delicious ham and potato soup. If you liked this recipe, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time.